Your 2021-2023 Ford Mustang Mach-E key fob uses a CR2450 battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Learn how to easily replace it yourself, saving time and money. This video covers everything you need for a successful DIY battery change. The key fob battery in your Ford Mustang Mach-E typically lasts 1 to 2 years. But as it weakens, you'll notice several telltale signs. First sign is reduced range. Instead of working from several feet away, the fob only responds when you're right next to the vehicle. This is your key fob. Notice how the buttons are positioned. Second symptom is intermittent connectivity. The fob might work perfectly one moment, then fail the next, making it unreliable for daily use. The most obvious sign is when your Mach-E displays a key battery low warning on the infotainment screen, alerting you directly to the issue. Addressing these symptoms promptly prevents inconvenient lockouts and ensures you always have reliable access to your Mustang Mach-E. For replacing your Mach-E key fob battery, you'll need a CR2450 3-volt lithium coin battery. Duracell or Panasonic brands are recommended for their reliability and exact specifications. The battery must be an exact match, 24 millimeters in diameter, 5 millimeters thick, and 3 volts. This ensures proper fit and function. For tools, you'll need a plastic pry tool to gently open the fob without damage, or a small flathead screwdriver as an alternative. Optionally, use an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static discharge that could damage the fob's electronics. Always use the correct battery type to avoid fitment issues and ensure your fob works properly. To open the key fob, first locate the seam on the fob, which is usually opposite the keyring loop. This is where the two halves of the fob meet. Once you've found the seam, gently insert a plastic pry tool into it. Start from the bottom and work your way around carefully. Carefully pry the fob open using slow, steady pressure. Avoid using excessive force, as this could crack or damage the plastic housing. Remember, a slow and steady approach is best to ensure the fob opens safely without damage. Once the key fob is open, note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side should be facing up toward the circuit board. Carefully remove the old battery from its holder. The key fob uses a CR2450 lithium coin battery. Refer to these standard dimensions to ensure you have the correct replacement. Insert the new CR2450 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive side faces the circuit board for proper electrical contact. Make sure the battery is securely seated in the holder to ensure good contact and reliable operation. With the new battery installed, carefully snap the key fob back together. Make sure all edges are aligned and the case clicks securely into place. Once reassembled, test the fob by attempting to lock and unlock your Mach-E remotely from a distance. If the fob doesn't respond properly, you may need to reprogram it through your vehicle's settings. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, reprogram it via your Mach-E's sync infotainment system. Navigate to Vehicle in the Settings menu, then select Keyless Entry and follow the on-screen instructions to repair the fob. This step resolves most connectivity issues. Avoid using excessive force when opening the fob to prevent damage. Keep the fob dry to prevent corrosion. Check battery voltage with a tester app before replacement. Automotive trends point toward digital keys and potentially rechargeable fobs in future Mach-E models, reducing reliance on disposable batteries.